Out here in the best place to be, nature. Look at my spot. Come back out here, get a little meditation on. Sun gaze. I want to see Rod. I want to see Son Rod today. I'm gonna bring him up. I'm gonna bring Rod out because I am the son. I'll go down there a little later. Right now, I'm getting my stroll on. Best place to be right here, man. Nature, because I'm a nature being. Nature vibes. I'm gonna get me a bike. I'm gonna invest in a bike too. But right now, me and these 2 feet, we strolling. Shay, I told you I was gonna bring Rod out. Right above me. He wasn't even out at first. Rod is out. Now I can get my sun gaze on. Rod is right above me. Right above me. Got my copper jug, charging up my water. Good conductor. I am everything and everything is me. I am what I see, because what I see is a reflection of me. I am that I am. I am one with self. I am one with nature. I am one with the cosmos. I am one with Sun Ra. I am one with every natural thing on this physical dimension. Ashe.